Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right now, I'm riding from Electronic City Flyover towards NIMHANS, aka moving from IT stress to hospital stress. Balanced life. All right, we're on the Electronic City Elevated Expressway, Bangalore's premium subscription road. You pay money, and in return, traffic sometimes behaves. This flyover is about 10 kilometers long, which is perfect because that's exactly how long it takes to rethink your life choices. Look at this road, though. Wide lanes, smooth surface, proper markings. This is not a road. This is Bangalore pretending to be developed. Fun fact time. This flyover was built to escape the service road, which is basically a live demonstration of human patience. Construction cost? Around 1,350 crore rupees. Expensive? Yes. Worth it? Also yes, when traffic moves. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite thing, the toll. Two-wheelers usually pay around 30 rupees to 40 rupees. Not much, but enough to emotionally hurt. You pay the toll and immediately your brain goes, okay, fine, at least let me reach faster. Look around. Left side, IT offices. Right side, IT offices. Straight ahead, more IT offices and broken dreams. Morning time. This road is filled with people late for stand-up meetings. Evening time. Same people rushing home pretending they will sleep early. Right now, though, smooth flow. This is that rare Bangalore moment where you feel calm and immediately suspect something bad is about to happen. The best part of this flyover is how it saves 30 to 45 minutes easily. That's almost one full episode of a web series. Very important. Wind hitting the helmet, steady throttle, city noise fading. For a few seconds, Bangalore traffic feels romantic. Then someone honks for no reason and reality hits. Also, quick flex. This is one of the longest elevated expressways inside a city in India. So yeah, we're riding on concrete ego. As we move closer to Silkboard side, traffic density increases. Because Silkboard doesn't believe in peace. You can literally feel the stress levels.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Now to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah.
All right, flyover done. And listen, this is insane. There is no traffic, morning ride, empty roads. I feel like I accidentally time traveled. Bro, this feels like 2000s Bangalore, when roads were chill, horns were optional, and people weren't late for stand-up meetings. I just came off the Electronic City Flyover and somehow, we reached Silkboard in about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. That's not normal. That's a glitch in the matrix. Usually this stretch prepares you mentally for war. Today, smooth sailing. I'm riding, breathing, existing peacefully. Look at this road. Vehicles are actually following lanes. No random auto-teleportation. No sudden U-turns powered by confidence. I'm half expecting Bangalore traffic police to jump out and say, "Bro, sorry, system error." The morning light, cool breeze, steady throttle. This is peak Bangalore before it wakes up and chooses violence. This is that rare ride where you don't fight traffic. You flow with it. Honestly, if someone showed me this clip without context, I'd think it was old footage from when Nokia ruled the world. Silkboard already visible, stress still loading, and my brain hasn't processed how fast that was. Moments like this remind you why morning rides hit different. Same city, same roads. Completely different personality. All right, enjoying this while it lasts, because Bangalore always collects its dues later. Let's keep riding. Peace out, bro. All right, moving ahead, and now we're passing through Madawala. Madawala in the morning is a whole different personality. Usually this place is loud, chaotic, and confused. Right now, calm, suspiciously calm. Madawala Junction without traffic feels illegal. I keep checking around like, bro, am I allowed to ride like this? Fish market side is quiet, buses are behaving, and autos haven't started their daily free-for-all yet. Rolling ahead, and now we're nearing St. John's Medical College and Hospital. This area instantly feels serious. Ambulances moving with purpose. Medical students walking fast like they're late for saving lives. St. John's is one of Bangalore's OG hospitals, serving the city long before traffic became a personality trait. Even the road manners change here. People slow down, horns reduce, and for once, humanity shows up. And just like that, mood switch. Welcome to Koramangala. You can literally feel the vibe change. From hospital silence to startup caffeine energy, PGs everywhere, cafes waking up, people holding laptops like emotional support objects. This is where ideas, businesses, and friendships are born, and also where rent goes crazy. Still no traffic though, which is wild. Morning Bangalore is undefeated. Same roads that destroy patience by evening are now letting us cruise like it's 2005. Honestly, moments like this are why early rides are elite. All right, continuing ahead, enjoying every second before Bangalore updates to daytime mode. Let's ride. Peace out, bro. All right, quick landmark check. To the right is Nexus Mall. This place is basically Koramangala's social headquarters. If you're bored, hungry, shopping, or just pretending to be busy, Nexus has you covered. Big mall energy, food court upstairs, movie screens calling your name, and people inside already planning how to avoid traffic later. Funny thing is, outside it's calm morning vibes. Inside the mall, AC playlists, and people walking like it's a fashion show. This mall is a solid landmark too. If someone says near Nexus, you instantly know the area. No Google Maps needed. From here, it's pure Koramangala territory. Cafes, startups, PGs, and it parks all right, passing Nexus, enjoying this rare, peaceful stretch, because by evening, this road turns into a parking lot. Let's keep rolling. All right, quick left side landmark. Christ University. This place is a whole ecosystem. Students everywhere, backpacks heavier than life problems. Known for discipline so strict, even the traffic behaves nearby. You can feel it. People walk straight. Bikes slow down automatically. Christ is famous for academics, debates, fests, and students who somehow manage attendance, assignments, and social life all at once. Morning vibes here are calm, focused, and slightly stressed. Everyone's either early, late, or pretending they're on time. Big campus, green spaces, serious energy. You pass this place and instantly feel more productive.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero?
And just like that, we've reached NIMHANS Hospital. What a ride. Smooth flyover, zero traffic, proper old-school Bangalore vibes. Silkboard in 10 minutes still feels illegal. Madiwala calm, St. John serious, Koramangala waking up. Everything just flowed. Morning rides really hit different. Same city, different mood. Destination reached, stress untouched. See you in the next ride. Peace out, bro.